I'm going in. Yeah, it's been a minute since I murdered these fuck niggas. Don't fuck around with me, cause I will murder you fuck niggas. These weak bitches be sweet bitches. These low key wanna beef, and when you talk, make sure you're speaking to me, bitches. I hear you motherfuckers with your hooping and hollering. I let this shit go before, but now I'm sick and I'm tired of it. Anybody got a problem with me, you better address it, cause the next motherfucker that sneak this and I'ma dead him. 2 shots to your head and your chest and breaking your legs, and I'm fucking these bitches up on this track, is carefully shredding them. You motherfuckers must have forgot the gunners and goddess, and obviously all that shit you done did, I did a lot of it. One deal and I'm proud of it. Took a loss but I swallowed it. Still cold with the flow and can't nobody demolish it. I fuck with all the rappers, the real ones in the city, but fuck you to all you fuckers that's fucking going against me. I'm a thoroughbred bitch and I'ma ride till the wheels off. You actors couldn't keep me off the scene if I got killed off. And I ain't trying to be cocky, just sick of the foolery. No matter what niggas say, you cannot make a fool of me. You don't hear me? Cause I'm moving in silence. And when they mention my city, you best believe my name will not be forgotten. It's set in stone whether you like it or not. And if I had to, I'ma take the K-Dot approach just to fight for the time. Half of you rappers hate me anyway, but when I give a fuck, it'll be a hot summer on a cold ass winter day. This ain't for the ones that really fuck with me truly. This for the ones that try to diss and be cool with me, but that's cool with me. Cause I just sat back for 3 years straight, gave you enough time to be this great. Still ain't fucking with me. They quick to talk about that Def Jam shit, but y'all can never yell Def Jam, bitch. Still ain't fucking with me. You think you bold, but I am so bolder. And from now on, I don't give a fuck. I'm giving rappers the cold shoulder. Like fuck you, don't give a fuck about your track, nigga. Don't add me, message me, and tag me in your stats, nigga. Let's take a minute just to talk about the stats, nigga. Beefing with me do more than put it on your stat, nigga. And on the track, I am that nigga. Just ask your hoes, cause for sure they call me Gunna Band's the track killer. They say I fell out, well tell me where you own at. Cause you still in the same damn city where I put on that. You fucking fraudulent rappers, I'm fucking tired of you. Let's be for real, cause deep down inside I might have inspired you. I paved the fucking way for you rappers. Half of you rappers wouldn't even be rapping if I didn't make way for you rappers. So what the fuck you bitches talking about? Or when you mention my name, you better say it with your chest when it come out your mouth. I'm killing hoes with silly flows. It really goes to really show how much I'm really shitting on you shitty hoes. It's Gunna Band's P&P, we be the fucking mob, but there's a fucking difference between a rapper and a fucking god. Gunna, try told these niggas. Ayy, Tay-Z and T, it's like that. Know what I mean, bro? Gunna, P&P. Don't get it twisted, my nigga, cause y'all ain't heard from me in a minute. But I told y'all, I move in silence. Yeah. MMG on the motherfucking way. Untouchable. Did I say P&P? Fuck y'all, cause we the motherfucking mob. Bitch! Y'all know what it is. God damn, it's hot as a bitch.